Ever imagine cleaning your ears could be as simple as wearing headphones? Let's dive into a novel invention that is revolutionizing ear hygiene. While they may look like the latest high-end headphones, these are not designed for music. Developed by Selfie Health, a Seattle-based medical startup, the Otoset claims to deep clean your ears in just 35 seconds. Built like a pair of headphones, the Otoset employs a unique combination of irrigation and microsuction technology to break down and remove earwax. It directs a liquid flow from solution containers, through disposable ear tips, and towards the walls of your ear canals. Then, its continuous microsuction draws the earwax and liquid back into disposable waste containers, making the entire procedure mess-free. Marketed for healthcare professionals and sporting a price tag of $1,999, it is indeed a luxury tool for ear hygiene. Selfie Health says that Otoset is the first FDA-cleared ear cleaning device to remove mild to severe earwax impactions quickly and safely.